positive affirmations for health and fitness. Do these affirmations every day for 21 consecutive days, and you'll be amazed at the changes you can make in your health, in your fitness, and in your overall well being. I am healthy. Each moment, I relax my body more and more. My mind is positive and healthy. My mind is beginning to feel clearer and calmer. My body is strong and healthy. I am beginning to feel more balanced and more calm. I always eat healthy food. Others are beginning to notice how relaxed I am becoming. I exercise regularly and take care of my body. Being in a peaceful state is normal for me. I am completely dedicated to improving my health. I love relaxing. I am resilient against illness. Slowing down feels good. I am able to always recover quickly from being sick. Finding time each day to relax and unwind is important. My immune system is very strong. I am learning to have a peaceful mind. I always make healthy choices that benefit me. Relaxing my body is easy for me. I work to continuously strengthen my body. People see me as someone who is relaxed, calm, and centered. I always think positively about my health. Letting go of tension in my life is rejuvenating. Each day, I become stronger and stronger. I have the ability to effortlessly let go of my thoughts, concerns, and worries. I am beginning to feel healthier and more energetic. I enjoy nurturing myself with deep relaxation. I am transforming into someone who has attained perfect health. I am free from stress. I always enjoy eating healthy foods because they benefit me. I am letting go of my worries. Every day, I find it easier to make healthy choices. My mind is calm and my body is at peace. I will achieve abundant health. I have learned to release all tension from my mind and from my body. I will become totally focused on healthy living. I am in full control of my stress level. I am naturally healthy. I am positive and peaceful. I believe I can beat any health challenge that comes before me. I am relaxed and free from stress. I have a healthy mind and body connection. I take time each day to relieve my stress. Overcoming illness is easier and easier for me. I am at peace even when life becomes chaotic. Feeling healthy and strong is normal for me. I choose to live my life free from stress. I have achieved vibrant health. Stress relief will make me healthier. Others see me as someone who lives a healthy lifestyle. I am learning to live a more balanced life. It is important to me that I eat right and exercise regularly. I am finding it easier and easier to release stress, tension, and worry. I have a positive attitude towards my health. Each day, I become more peaceful and content. I am relaxed. My mind is becoming more and more calm and clearer. My tension is melting away. I am letting go of all my worries. Being at peace is my normal state. My body has learned to be naturally relaxed. Unwinding at the end of each day is a normal part of my life.